Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job, and there's also an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. We're going to stuff 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. I did count up exactly how much I needed, so I don't think it's necessary for us to roll the dice. I think what we'll do is just pull out each savings challenge, and then we will complete the stuffing process, and then we'll do a final money count. This shouldn't take me very long. These savings challenges I got from Auntie Foxie. I will link her down below. She does have a Ko-Fi with a couple of other options for savings. These were freebies, so I decided I would use these all month. So this will be our last stuffing, and then we will do a final count. Also, I do want to let you know on Wednesday's video, in case you missed it, I was saving all month for the matcha savings challenges, and I ended up saving $220. Couldn't believe it. That was a wild month for those savings challenges. This one was a little bit more low-key, but also very encouraging, mostly because I really like the way these look. They're so glamorous. But we have this cash here, so I want to just go ahead and make sure we stuff all of them, and then we will do an unstuffing. So let's just do that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Two, 3, 4. And then once I've completed these savings challenges, I will do an unstuffing. But I do want to get it complete. I want to see it completed. I want to make sure I have the right amounts. And I'm smiling like crazy because I'm stuffing a few more dollars. 2, 4, 6. And these are the roll and save where you can save whatever amounts you actually want. I made all of my symbols $2. 10, 15, 16. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get the $28 today for this savings challenge, but here we are. And this one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, 5. Oh, I missed $1. I think I have $1 in my purse. Let me check. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, yeah, I'm glad I'm doing this because this one, I missed half a heart there. Each one of my savings challenges should save me $16. So that's what I was trying to make sure that I have. And I only have $3 left, and this one needs 4. I'm going to have to grab another $1, and I will grab it out of my purse. I'll be right back with that other $1. I found another $1. Okay, so now we're adding $4 here. All right, so it is official. I have completed the Auntie Foxie's Rich Auntie Savings Challenge set. These are A6. There are some micro minis, other options, like I said, so you're more than welcome to check those out. We completed all 6 of them. Very exciting. And now what we'll do is just unstuff them and count it up. And I do want to do more savings. Let me pull these out so I can get that set up. For the month of April, I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do, but I know that I want to do something. I found a couple of different options that maybe I'll want to try. But in the meantime, I just want to get going, and I have some change. I mean, I have some bigger bills to swap out as well, so I can use this change to get me started for next month. Oh my goodness. It's crazy to me because I wasn't even sure I could do 2 savings challenges in 1 month, but because of the freedom I've been experiencing with the taxes and then paying up my bills, my rent, I've been making sure to make some pretty wise financial choices so that way I can save. Alright, what we'll do is, let's move this off to the side. I'm going to get something else set up. I don't know when or what exactly, but we will work on that. And let's go ahead and put our ladies, our aunties, up here. And we have in total 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 96. You know what? I'm not even mad at that. It's amazing. $96 is what I saved. And I'm just going to spread all my amazing cash that I was able to save just with Freebie Fridays. You guys, we're making such amazing progress. The hope is that I can keep going with these savings challenges. I really don't have specific reasons ahead of time. Sometimes while I'm cash stuffing, then I figure out what I'm going to do. And as a matter of fact, these funds, we're actually going to go ahead and go to a new seafood place that my kiddos want to hit. We've been to a couple of them thanks to their dad, but yeah, this is incredible. So phenomenal. I am so grateful for these savings challenges, Auntie. I'm glad that I was able to use them and save a little bit of cash. And like I said, I'm taking my kiddos out to eat. I'll have to insert a picture once we go. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.